All right, what's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how you can pull a vacant lot list using PropStream. My last video I showed you guys how you can pull an absentee owner list. Today we're going to do a vacant lot list because we do a lot of deals that involve houses, but we also do a lot of deals that involve vacant land. So let's get to it. All right, so let's just pick a zip code. This is, that's wrong, 75215. All right, so this is South Dallas, if you are familiar with the area. But what we want to do, once you type in a zip code, it's going to pull up that area right here so we can see, this is obviously South Dallas, South Boulevard, Park Row. So let's go to filters, right? Now, we don't care about owner occupied or occupancy status because, again, we're just looking for vacant lots. So property characteristics, we want to go to vacant land. Property types, we want to go to residential vacant land. If you want to look for commercial land, that's fine. But for the purposes of this video, we're looking for residential land. So, what happened to my filters? Okay, but when you do this, they will pop up over here. So if you happen to exit out like I just did on accident, your filters will still be populated right here. So you can see characteristics are still the same, but let's keep going. So lot size, we want a minimum of 5,000 square feet. That's typically what our buyers are looking for, even though they will look at lots that are a bit smaller. We want to focus on lots that are the exact size that we're looking for. So we want lots that are at least 5,000 square feet. And then let's see what else we got. MLS status, we want off-market properties. So no for on-market. And again, that popped up right here. So ownership, and so we don't need the pre-foreclosed and bank-owned information. We don't filter any of that. Ownership information, we want to make sure that they have owned it for a minimum of 5 years. If they've had the lot for 5 years and haven't done anything with it, they probably won't, but they probably could. It could be in their future plans, but we want to look for people who have owned the lots for at least 5 years, okay? Owner type, we want individuals and we want trust. Okay, so individuals is just somebody who owns the lot themselves, and a trust is typically going to be a property that someone has inherited potentially. And so we do a lot of inherited properties, and so that's what we would be looking for on the vacant lots. We don't really want corporate owned properties because they're in LLCs, which means it's owned by a business and they probably have intentions to actually do something with it. All right. So ownership 5 years, individual or trust, sale price, sale date, doesn't matter, number of properties owned. None of that actually matters, okay? So valuation info, we don't need any of this. Mortgage info, shouldn't be a mortgage on it. Lien, bankruptcy, divorce status, none of that really matters to us. So, okay, looks like we got about everything that we need. And so now we have 328 properties. It was originally like 9,000, but now we have 328 properties. Hold on, what's going on? Because this looks like it's actually a house. Let's check that out. Nope, it is vacant land. Okay, so our filters did work. So these are the vacant lots that you have to choose from. And what we would do is just type this right here and add these to a list. Okay, so we're going to create a new list. And we just like to put the zip code 75215, vacant lots, and then today's date. And today is the 17th. All right, so boom, I will save that. Loading. Okay, property saved to my 75215 vacant lot list from April the 17th. And that is simply how you create a vacant lot list. And now what you need to do is put that in a spreadsheet, skip trace those addresses, get contact numbers, and start hitting the phone so you can get some deals. Until the next time, y'all, tap in.